Disappointing way to end the game when you thought you must have had a reasonable chance of taking this one.
Yeah, definitely it's very disappointing. After the first inning, bowler did their job for us. But again the problem is our batting is not clicking, and first 10 overs we give so many wickets. That's why we lost the match.
Your bowlers did a good job. They made it hard for New Zealand.
Yeah, definitely our bowler, especially in last 20 overs, they bowling very well. We fought very hard. We fielding very well. And in the end, we're finishing very well, but unluckily, we did not play well in the batting lineup.
Did you think 258 was gettable on that pitch?
Yeah, definitely a little bit slow, but it's definitely the gettable speed.
The end result, I suppose, is that Bolt and Southey are a very good opening partnership in New Zealand conditions, aren't they?
Yeah, definitely. We give to both of them balls. They bowl very well, especially Southey and Trent Bolt. They especially new balls, definitely good bowlers.
You've worked hard to try and get the batting sorted. What can you do now?
Definitely we will go to Hamilton and we will sit together again, and we have some couple of plans. Definitely we will not give too many wickets in only 10 overs. If we give so many wickets first 10 overs, it is very hard for middle order batsmen or tail-enders to recover the innings.
What do you think it is? You said the batting's not clicking. Can you put your finger on what's going on? What do you think it is?
I think credit first of all, credit goes to them. They bowled very well, but we worked really hard in the nets. We worked when we arrived here in Tinudin. So we made two practice days and we worked really hard, but luckily we're not performing in the ground.
2 games to go. I mean, the series is over, but what can you get out of those next 2 games?
Definitely we will back our players, and definitely we will bounce back, inshallah, next 2 matches.
Do you have to rethink about your lineup? Will there be some changes for the next couple of matches?
Yes, definitely we'll sit together and we will give plan and give us best 11.
Who do you think might come in that top order, which is struggling a little bit?
This is not yet decided, and we will decide in next match.
Thank you.
Thank you.